Hi guys, in this video, we'll go over how to set up the time clock employee registration process for facial recognition for your employees to clock in and clock out. This video is for stores using the CronySoft Time Clock device, where employees can clock in and out using facial recognition. Before employees can start using facial recognition, the time clock software must be downloaded, installed, and integrated with the back office, and then each employee must be registered on the device. Let's begin. First, you need to get the time clock software from Crony back office. Log into your Crony back office software from your device, then go to the download section. From the downloads page, look for time clocks. Once you find it, click download. After the software has been downloaded, install it on the time clock device you are using. Once installation is completed, open the time clock software on the device. At first, the screen may show device unregistered. You will also see a device code, but only the last 4 alphanumeric characters will be available. You will need this code for the integration process. Next, you're going to go ahead and create a support ticket from your Crony back office. In the ticket, you can mention that you need help integrating your time clock device with your back office account. Also, you can include the last 4 characters shown on the time clock device screen. This code basically helps the CronySoft technicians identify the correct device and connect it to your back office. Once the support ticket is submitted, the CronySoft technical team will begin the integration process. After the integration process has been successfully completed, the time clock device will be connected and ready to use. Now, the next step is to add employees and register their facial recognition profile. To do this, go to the Crony back office, open the HR module, then go to the employees section. Over here, you can create or add the employee who will be using the time clock device. If you need help creating employees, you can watch our employee video in the back office tutorials playlist for a complete walkthrough. Once the employee has been added, find the employee in the list. Click the 3 dots beside the employee's name. From the options, click Registration PIN. The system will show a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to generate a device PIN for the selected employee. Click Yes. After clicking Yes, the system will generate a registration PIN for that employee. Now go back to the time clock device. On the time clock software, choose First Time User. Enter the registration PIN that was generated from the back office. After entering the PIN, the device will begin the facial recognition process. Follow the instructions on the screen carefully. First, center your face in the circle and scan the front of the face. Next, turn slightly to the left, then slightly to the right. After that, you look up, then look down. The device will use these scans to register the employee's face for recognition. Once the scan is completed, the system will show a message saying that the registration was successful. It may also ask if you want to clock in now. If the employee selects yes, the system will clock them in immediately. If the employee chooses to go back without clocking in, they can return to the main screen and scan again later to clock in or clock out. And that's it. The time clock software has been downloaded and installed. The device has been integrated with your back office. Employees have been added and facial recognition registration has been completed. After this setup, employees can continue using the time clock device to clock in and clock out with facial recognition. And that's it for the time clock employee registration process. Thank you so much for watching.